Affiliate marketing explained. Essentially, affiliate marketing means selling for commission. This works online in just the same way as it does for a door to door salesman. That is to say, that you will be selling a product that you did not create and do not own the rights to, but in return, you will get to keep some commission. This is a powerful option for those who want to earn money online but don't necessarily have the skills or the resources to build an ebook, an online course, or something else from scratch. The big difference between being an affiliate marketer and a door to door salesman, of course, is that the affiliate is someone who will be able to sell their products to the entire world. Thanks to the web, it's possible to reach pretty much anyone, right in the comfort of their home. This makes affiliate marketing endlessly scalable. And with the right product and the right pitch, you can make a huge killing. Selling digital products has a huge number of impressive advantages after all. Firstly, selling digital products means that there is no storage and no delivery. That, in turn, means that a much bigger cut of the revenue will be split between you and the owner of the product. Affiliates can often stand to earn 70% or even 90% from promoting digital products. By offering higher commissions on their products, product owners can attract more people to help them sell them. Thus, it is in their best interest to give away a big cut. This is a rare instance of a genuinely win-win scenario. Advantages of becoming an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing removes many of the challenges and obstacles that you face when trying to sell something online. Some of these are obvious, others are not. First of all, selling an affiliate product means you don't need to create something new. This means that you can start earning money immediately. As soon as you're accepted as an affiliate, you can start making cash. What's even more beneficial about selling affiliate products is that it allows you to sell products that have been proven. In other words, you can look and see which affiliate products are selling the best. How much have they made so far? How are they rated? This way, you can choose a product that is almost guaranteed to be a hit for you. You at least know that it has the potential to be a hit for you. The biggest downside of being an affiliate is that this is not your product. For all that affiliate marketing has amazing benefits, you ultimately are selling someone else's creation. And unlike selling a PLR package, private label rights, you won't have the opportunity to change it or to make edits as you see fit. This means that you'll be selling something that isn't necessarily a reflection or extension of your own personality, views, or styles. This is then significantly more difficult to sell. However, we will show you how you can overcome this.